Hello everybody and welcome to Face to Face Makeup Academy. My name is Suzanne Salazar. I am a Hollywood and European trained makeup artist, and now I want to teach you how to do makeup. Now, as you all ask, you want mini small videos to teach you certain things, and that's what you get. Today we're talking about the eyebrow. I've got a pencil here, an eyebrow pencil with a spoolie end, and I'm going to teach you how to do the eyebrow. It's quick and easy. First thing is we're going to measure. We're going to take our pencil, go from the top of the nostril up over the inside corner of the eye and make a little dot right here. Going to do the bottom of the nostril over the outside corner of the eye to the end. Then we're going to go from the bottom of the nostril over the eyebrow, or over the pupil to the eyebrow. That's the high points. So now we're going to draw lines. Bottom line is first from the start to the high point. There we go. Quick like that. See? Then from the high point down to the end. Bottom. Now top of the high point to the end. Top. Couple millimeters in from the top of the top of the brow, close to the beginning, to the high point. There we go. Now we're going to fill this in. Little strokes down at the end as well. Now, important, we're going to do vertical lines like this, straight up and down right here. Kind of feather that. And now we're going to take the spoolie end and brush this through. Feather this nicely. All right, now we're going to clean up that brow. We're going to take concealer and a concealer brush, as you can see right here. I'm going to take a little concealer, go underneath that brow, clean it up, go on the top, a little more, go on the top of the brow, clean this up here as well, and in between the eyes. All right, now important step is to blend that area. Take your sponge, your beauty blender, or even your finger, and blend it through. And this is it. All right, until next time, everyone, love to you all.